Hi, I'm Ariana, and I'm Chapter Coordinator at the NJCPA. This video is part 2 of a 2-part series that will show you how to navigate the Chapter Administration page on njcpa.org. Let's get started. If you're not already there, go to njcpa.org/chapteradmin. Under Financial Information and Forms, we have a check request form. You can use this form when you need a check or reimbursement. Guidelines for reimbursement can be found in the Chapter Operations Manual. Here's a link to the Sponsor and Exhibitor form. This form should be completed and sent for any sponsors that are not drawing from a Premier package. Premier sponsorships are generally arranged through our Business Development Department. Sponsors should fill out their basic information on the left-hand side of the form and include the chapter name, event date, and sponsor fee on the right-hand side of the page. Sponsors can enclose a check and mail payment to the address indicated, or pay with a credit card and fax it to the number on the bottom of the page. Next, we have a link to Chapter Financials. This is a vital resource that gives information about your chapter's activities. You'll be brought to a page with a master list of chapters. The top section contains the most recent statements, and the bottom section contains those from the previous year. Now, let's look more in depth at a financial statement. The first page will be a combined statement of chapter activities and fund balance for your chapter. This statement contains financial information dating back to the beginning of the fiscal year. Since the Society and Education Foundation are separate entities, we have a column for each and a combined total as well. At the bottom of the page, you'll see beginning and ending fund balances for the current fiscal year. The next 2 pages of the statement contain detailed information about the activities. The first page contains the society side. This is any taxable event, including social events, happy hours, and golf outings. The following page contains detailed information about activities on the Education Foundation side. These are all of your education meetings that are tax exempt. If you've had any events that fall under society activity, you'll see event summaries for those events next. Remember, social events should aim to break even. Finally, you'll see profit and loss statements for each Education Foundation event your chapter has held. Per the Chapter Operations Manual, it is recommended that the chapter have an overall gross margin of minimally 35% on foundation programs based on the direct costs incurred by the chapter, and minimally a break-even on each society social event. We encourage you to carefully review this information as you go through your annual planning process and consider direct and indirect expenses. If you have specific questions regarding your chapter financials, please contact the NJCPA Finance Department. Back to our last few links on the Chapter Admin page. Under Membership, we have a link to 25 and 50-year members. Clicking on a chapter name will lead you to an Excel document with member names, join dates, and addresses. Under the Other section is a link to the Chapter Operations Manual and Event Management Guide. Reference these documents whenever you have questions about chapter policies and procedures, or best practices for planning and executing meetings. The last link, NJCPA Leadership Resources, will lead you back to the main Leadership Resources page. I hope this video is useful. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Education Department at 973-226-4494 or education@njcpa.org. Thanks for watching.